Let me tell you something most people completely misunderstand about love. They think love begins with a confession, a relationship, a first kiss, a moment when someone finally says, "I have feelings for you." But that's not where love begins. In reality, love starts much earlier. It starts quietly, so quietly that most people don't notice it happening. There are no dramatic announcements, no obvious signs, no clear moment where everything suddenly changes. Instead, feelings grow beneath the surface, one thought at a time, one interaction at a time, one small emotional shift at a time. And here's the fascinating part. The person who is slowly falling in love with you often starts changing before they even realize what's happening to them. At first, they think you're just interesting. Then they enjoy talking to you. Then they find themselves thinking about you more than they expected. And before they know it, you become important in a way they can't fully explain. That's how love usually works. Not as a lightning strike, but as a slow, emotional process that quietly takes over. The problem is that most people are looking for the wrong signs. They're waiting for obvious flirting, constant compliments, big romantic gestures. But by the time those things happen, the feelings have often been growing for a long time. The real signs appear much earlier, in subtle changes. Changes in attention, changes in priorities, changes in the way someone experiences their everyday life. And if you know what to look for, those changes become surprisingly difficult to miss. So in today's video, we're going to explore 3 subtle shifts that often happen when someone is slowly falling in love with you. Not the common signs you've heard 100 times before, but the deeper psychological changes that reveal what's happening beneath the surface. And make sure you stay until the end, because the 3rd sign is one of the strongest indicators of all. And unlike attraction, it's almost impossible to fake. Now, before we get into the first sign, there's something important you need to understand. Attraction and love are not the same thing. Attraction is about wanting someone. Love is about making space for someone. Attraction says, "I enjoy being around this person." Love says, "This person is becoming part of my world." That's when everything starts to change. Their thoughts begin changing. Their attention begins changing. Even their daily routines begin changing in ways they don't fully notice. Because when someone is slowly falling in love with you, you're no longer just a person they see. You're becoming a person they carry with them, in their mind, in their emotions, and eventually, in the way they imagine their life. And the first sign that this process has begun is more powerful than most people realize. The first sign is subtle, so subtle that most people completely miss it. Let me explain. Most people move through life alone inside their own minds. They see things, experience things, think things, and then move on. But when someone is slowly falling in love with you, something unusual begins to happen. You start appearing in moments you were never part of. And that's where things get interesting. Imagine they're walking through a store and suddenly see something that reminds them of you. Not because they're trying to think about you, it just happens, automatically. Or maybe they hear a random song they've heard 100 times before. But this time, for some reason, you're the first person that comes to mind. A funny moment happens during their day, a strange story, an exciting piece of news. And before they even realize it, a thought appears in their mind. I should tell them about this. Think about what that really means. You weren't there. You didn't do anything. Yet somehow you became part of that moment. And that's a much bigger deal than it sounds. Because when someone starts connecting ordinary experiences to one specific person, their mind is doing something important. It's creating emotional significance. Little by little, moment by moment, without permission, without effort, without them even realizing it. You're no longer just someone they talk to. You're becoming someone they carry with them. And that's one of the earliest signs that attraction is turning into something deeper. Because attraction happens when someone enjoys your presence. But growing love is different. Growing love follows them home. It shows up when you're not around. It appears in ordinary moments and slowly turns those moments into reminders of you. But as meaningful as this shift is, it isn't the biggest change, because the second sign happens at a much deeper emotional level. And that's where feelings start becoming impossible to ignore. The second sign is much harder to notice, because it doesn't happen in their actions first. It happens inside their mind. Let me explain. Most people go through conversations thinking about themselves, how they sounded, what they wanted to say, whether they enjoyed the interaction. That's normal. But when someone is slowly falling in love with you, the focus begins to shift. Without realizing it, they start caring about your experience of them. And that's a powerful psychological change. Suddenly, a conversation doesn't end when the conversation ends. It follows them home. Hours later, they might replay certain moments in their mind, not because they're obsessed, not because they're overthinking, but because your opinion has started carrying weight. They wonder if they made you laugh. They wonder if they came across the way they intended. They wonder if you enjoyed talking to them as much as they enjoyed talking to you. And here's what makes this so important. Most people only worry about being understood by people who matter to them. Think about that. How often do you spend your evening thinking about a random conversation with someone you don't care about? Probably never. But when feelings begin growing, something changes. Your perception becomes valuable. Your reaction becomes meaningful. Your approval begins to matter. Not because they're seeking validation, but because they're becoming emotionally invested. An investment changes everything. They may find themselves hoping they didn't disappoint you, hoping they didn't seem distant, hoping you understood what they really meant. Because deep down, they don't just want your attention anymore. They want a positive place in your mind. And that's one of the clearest signs that attraction is evolving into something deeper. Because attraction says, I enjoy being around you, but growing love says, I care how you feel when you're around me. That's a completely different emotion. And once that shift begins, feelings often start growing much faster than either person expects. But even this isn't the biggest sign, because the third shift changes the entire relationship dynamic. And once it appears, it's often impossible to ignore what's really happening. And now we come to the third sign, the sign that changes everything. Because this is often the moment when attraction quietly becomes attachment. Most people think feelings become real when someone imagines being with you. But that's not always true. The deeper shift happens when they start imagining life without you, and they don't like what they see. Think about that for a moment. There is a huge difference between wanting someone in your life and struggling to imagine your life without them in it. When someone is slowly falling in love with you, your presence stops feeling like a bonus. It starts feeling important. At first, they don't notice it, but then small things begin happening. A conversation doesn't happen one day, and something feels slightly off. A routine changes, and it feels strangely empty. The connection isn't gone, but they suddenly become aware of how much they value it, and that's when emotions become impossible to ignore. Because human beings rarely understand the value of something until they imagine losing it. That's not weakness. It's psychology. We protect what becomes emotionally significant. We pay attention to what matters, and we fear losing what has become part of our emotional world. That's why someone who is slowly falling in love may become uncomfortable when communication suddenly changes. Not angry, not dramatic, just unsettled. Because your absence creates a feeling your presence never had to explain. And that feeling reveals something important. You are no longer just someone they enjoy. You are becoming someone they depend on emotionally. Not in an unhealthy way, but in a deeply human way. And that's often where love begins. Quietly, privately, long before any confession is made. Now here's the mistake most people make. They spend all their time looking for dramatic signs. A confession, a romantic speech, constant flirting, some obvious moment that proves how someone feels. But love rarely arrives with an announcement. Most of the time, it reveals itself through much smaller changes. Changes in attention, changes in priorities, changes in thought patterns, and most importantly, changes in what someone becomes afraid to lose. Because real feelings don't usually shout, they whisper. They appear in ordinary moments. And if you pay close enough attention, those quiet moments often tell you everything you need to know. So, if someone starts appearing in your thoughts when they're not around, if your opinion begins to matter more than it used to, and if the idea of losing their presence feels heavier than expected, don't ignore it. Because love rarely begins with a grand confession. It begins with small, emotional shifts that quietly grow stronger over time. Until one day, that person is no longer just part of your day, they become part of your life. And now I'm curious, which of these signs felt the most real to you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoy uncovering the hidden psychology behind attraction and relationships, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.